guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. And if you have dropped in for the very first time, then hi, I am Poulomi and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this very particular entire makeup look. I have shown you guys how to achieve this base makeup look. I have shown you guys how to achieve this eye makeup look. All in all, like a total package. It might be a long video, but before jumping on to the video, if you want to know me personally, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @Poulomi_Mimi, and from there you can check out my life, yeah, and many other makeup looks. So without any more further blabbering, I'll just roll on to the video. So now, as you can see, after a long time that I have totally come bare face, I have nothing on my face. So I will first start my makeup with some moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I'm going to use right now is going to be my Nivea Soft Moisturizer, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take a generous amount of this one, and I'm just going to rub it into my hands, and then I'm just going to pat it all over my face. So yeah, it's actually really after a long time that I have come bareface. I actually prefer doing my base makeup because I really take a long time doing my base, because I just love doing my base and I enjoy the process of doing the base makeup. So yeah, that's just me, or everyone else, I don't know. So yeah, so that's it. But today I thought, like, since I enjoy doing my base makeup so much, let me share it with you guys. Like, why should I deprive of anything like that? I thought, like, let's do this today together. So yeah, that's it. And now when I'm like done with this cream, I'm just going to cap it and keep it aside. And now I am going to go towards the eye makeup first, cause today I will be starting with my eye makeup and then I will go ahead with my base makeup. So yeah, today I'm going to go Wawa Home Glam. Let's see what I do. I don't have anything in mind. So now basically I'll start with my eyes, and to do my eyes first I will be prepping and priming it. And to prep and prime it, I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. It is their lightest shade, and I'm just going to put it onto my eyelids. I am using this to, you know, skirt the discoloration that is going on to my eyelids, because my eyelids are suffering these days. My god, oh my god. Now taking a flat synthetic brush like this, I am just going to pat everything into my skin. I prefer going with a shade lighter when it comes to priming my eyelid, but if you are someone who likes to use a concealer which is your shade, or you do not want to invest so much in makeup, but you know, you want to do a good makeup. So yeah, I have also been at that phase in my life where I was like, I am just doing it for 1 day or 2 days, so I don't want to invest so much. I don't want to buy this and that and this and that, everything that is available out there in the market. Basically, trust me, there is no need to buy everything that's available in the market, because you don't need everything, right? You can mix and match product, you can make your own product, you can make your own things. So now taking my 3D HD blender by Sigma, I am just going to run it through my eyelids, so that if there is any excess product, it is going to suck it. So now the very first color that I'm going to go right now is going to be my liquid matte lipstick, which is basically from Smashbox. It is the Smashbox liquid matte lipstick in the shade Boss. I just totally love using this lipstick, and today I'm going to use this on my eyelids. As I said, that you can use one product for multiple use. If you have cream eyeshadow in the color red, just use it. If you have any other red colored lipstick, you just can use that also. So I have this one, so I'm going to use this. So I am just going to directly apply it onto this portion. Like, since this is a liquid matte lipstick, I know I really need to work very quickly, because otherwise it is going to dry up and moving it will be a task. Trust me, it is going to be a task. So now taking a small blending brush, I am just going to blend this outer portion into my crease. I know I might be looking a little crazy right now, but I'm just going to go towards my Colourpop Cosmetics Mean Crease palette, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful palette over here, I am going to take this color called Red Buttons, which is basically this one, and taking this color over here, I am just going to place it on to the areas where I have put that lipstick shade. So I'm just like, you know, dipping my brush into that shade called Red Buttons, and I am constantly blending the outer portion of my eyeshadow. So now at this point, when I'm done with that dark red colors called Red Button from my Mean Crease palette, I'm just going to go towards this color over here, which is a little bit shimmery in texture. So I'm just going to go towards this color over here, and I am just going to put it onto the center of my lid to give it that 3D effect. I'm just putting it onto the center of my eyelid, like onto the area where my eyeball is resting right now. So I'm just going to put it onto that area, and I'm just going to slightly smudge out the edges, because obviously a non-diffused eyeshadow or an eye look is just too much. So now at this point, when I'm almost done with everything, I'm just going to go and take my gel liner from L'Oreal, and I'm just going to take this and put on a liner onto my eyes and then smudge it out a little bit. So now at this point, when I'm done with that gel liner, I'm just quickly going to smudge it. And to smudge, just take any black eyeshadow you have with you. So now at this point, I'm just going to take this, you know, black eyeshadow from my James Charles palette, and taking this onto an angle brush, I'm just going to quickly give that liner a smudged look. So now at this point, when I'm almost done with the upper lid, I am just going to go and start doing my base makeup, and then when I will be done with my base, I will quickly go and do my lower lash line. So first, starting off with my base makeup, I can see I have a little bit of fallout onto this area, so I'm just going to, you know, dust it off. So first I will be priming my face, and to prime my face I'm using my all-time favorite Angel Well primer, which is this one, and this is from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just going to put it onto my face, like this two areas of my face where I see I have pores going on. So I'm just patting it onto that area to give my face like an angel well, as the name suggests, or you can say like a blurring effect. So now I'll quickly go on with my foundation, and for my foundation today I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation, which is this one. It is in the shade NC35, and taking this foundation over here and taking it onto a flat brush like this, I am just going to put it all over my face. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, so I am building it up little by little. I'm not taking a lot at a time, but I am just, you know, trying to build it up. And this foundation sits on the skin like my own skin. You just won't be able to see that I'm wearing a foundation, like a MAC foundation. You won't be able to. It is so good. It sits into the skin like magic. So now at this point, when I'm done with that foundation, I'm just going to take my favorite concealer, my current favorite, which is Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, which is this one. It is in the shade Golden Beige, which is this one. So I'm just going to put it onto my under eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with my concealer, I'm just going to take my contour, my liquid contour. For that, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro HD concealer, which is this one. It is in the shade Espresso, and dab it into my skin, and then I'm just going to go towards the other side, because this is obviously a concealer and it dries up very fast and very quickly. So I love working on two part by part when I'm working with this one. So now at this point, when everything is nice and done, I'm just going to go and put some powder onto my face. And to start with my powder, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder, which is this one. It is in the shade NC35 because I am an NC35 person. So I'm just going to take this, and I am going to take my beauty sponge, which is this one, and I am just going to press it onto the powder and dab it all over my face like in a dabbing motion. So now at this point, when everything is nice and done, I'm just going to go towards my eyeshadow palette once more, and taking this eyeshadow palette and taking that color called Red Buttons from this palette, I am going to smudge out my lower lash line. Don't be scared to go low, because today I'm going to go low and blend out, and I am just going, as I said earlier, I am going for a full blown out look. So now at this point, when everything is nice and done, I'm just going to take my Estee Lauder Double Wear 01 Kajal pencil, which is basically this one, and taking this one over here, I am just quickly going to run it through my waterline. Now at this point, I am blending it out with that red color which I used in the very first place. So yeah, to give it that nice intense and smoothed out effect. So now at this point, when everything is nice and done, I'm just quickly going to bronze my face a little bit, and to bronze I'm going to use my favorite bronzer, which is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer, which is basically this one, and I am just loving this one currently. So I'm going to take a small bronzing brush, and I am going to take this and just blend it out. So now when everything is nice and done, I'm just going to put on some blush, and for my blush I'm using this L'Oreal blush, like it's a peach blush, and taking this onto my flat foundation brush, I am just going to put it onto the apples of my cheeks. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies, and for my falsies today I have used my BAC brand new M75 lashes, which were this one, and I have done my lower lash line also. I have smudged it out a little bit, and I have given it like a full blown out effect. And on my lips, I'm wearing my Smashbox Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Boss, which I basically used on my eyelids. So this is the lipstick which I'm wearing. And as you have already seen that I have bronzed my face with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer. So yeah, this is it for today's video. This is how the look turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. This was my version of a full-on glam blown out smoky eyed look with the red lip. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.